What's up, gang? Back with a quick one. Ain't got to slide the job number 2 right now, so I'm quick and get a quick video. Think I'm gonna put both of these in the same one. I might record both of them separately, post them separately. I was gonna do another one, but with me putting the side panels on, but I just did them, and I was so excited I ain't do the video. So remember the red ones are for sale. You can buy them from PlayStation Direct, or you can buy the ones I got. They just sitting there. They gonna be in a box, so I can get some money back off on 'em. But yeah. Yesterday the grass wasn't cut. Today the grass got cut. I'm not taking credit for that, but we'll give you some content today, man. We got some upgrades on DIY and 95 problems. But we gonna give you a video first on DIY. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Cause y'all waiting on 95 problems. So I ain't gonna let y'all see that yet. We'll do a separate video on that. Yeah. Let's see where we're gonna start from. How you doing? Should I go straight to it? Nah, we ain't been on a minute quality in, so we're gonna drag it out. You know what I'm saying? Did a little something to it. I want the negative from it, so I ain't worried about it, you know what I'm saying? You know, well, it was clean, it's kinda dirty. Day one back to work, for this week. I need to clean this windshield when I get through this video, because I'm outside. But, yeah, this upgrade. I don't know if y'all gonna spot it. You know what I'm saying? I gotta come out here and put the grill back and pop it back in. It had popped out on one side. Had to put it back in there all the way. It didn't pop all the way out, it just, you can see a gap. Yeah. And that hood, I don't like how it looking all stained like that. It just do that to get hot. Well, I don't know if paint bad. What? I don't really care right now. She clean to me. But they say, but bro, when I be stopping, they say them motherfuckers don't want to stop going. Say it be bucking the system. So I know why I'm doing it though, cause get more out. Cause that one's hub stick out a little farther. You know what I'm saying? Get more out to it. And then ones in the rust on it. But yeah, boy. Yeah, did some more mods. Little something, wasn't nothing major. You know what I'm saying? Nothing major. Did a little something to it. Drag it a little bit for y'all. I gotta get this time in. We're gonna do that. We gonna get you about 5 minutes in. We 3 minutes in. You know what I'm saying? Getting a little bit of the mods. You know what I'm saying? It's covered. You know what I'm saying? Y'all ain't seen it yet. Did I get this one? Yeah, they be saying that. And they ain't spinning. They not supposed to. And whatever they doing outside the car, it don't make no difference from me. I look at the other car and enjoy moving. If it's not moving, I'm not moving. Or moving. This one got the newest hub on it. Well, yeah, we done did a complete walk around though, man. That back and that front on that side. And I think sometimes that back on the other side, they be bucking. This one used to do it in the front, yeah. I had took them off, did some stuff. I'm talking about it was spinning for hours. God, spinning for hours. But let's get straight to it, man. Yeah, you hear it still moving? That's that cap making that noise, yeah. Cap be getting loose a little sometimes, But boom. Yes, sir, bro. That's what we did, man. DIY got some more tips. I had to take it back. You know what I'm saying? My boy had to line me up straight. A little better. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, I got this terrible tag on him, bro. I got this terrible tag on him. So, but yeah, got the upgrade. Got some more tips and stuff. So, clean that tip out right here. Clean the other one. I ain't even clean that well. Well, we had to take that one back off. So I don't got to clean up. You have to take this one back off. Yeah, but got some more tips. Just put on the mag. Again, on DIY. I didn't get the custom tag. I ended up getting the regular tag. I was supposed to decided to do it for the SS, but we'll talk about that another time later. You know what I'm saying? Oh yes, buddy. Today is the day after Father's Day. The day after I did the purple side place video, so it's day 2 straight video upload when I go in the house. And something new coming to the channel. Some new content coming. I explained to y'all in the 3rd video. I'm gonna film the 3rd one after this, but the release it tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? Of 95 problems of green. So, you know, I'm gonna let y'all hear it though. I mean, it actually got quiet in the woods. I never heard it before, cause I don't do too much of this, but it's more cleaner. Yeah, and just in case you know, wanna know why it takes so long? It's fuel pressure regulator. It's been like this since Rojo I had. Right. I'm gonna do that one time. Sit for a while. That's it. It was already sounding like this, but it's more. When you in it, it's more cleaner. It's not, kind of trashy loud. But I like it though. I ain't trying to bring an RT to the game. I just want to do a little something different. Cause I already got them on there. I'm not taking them off. This is for the ones that hate the goddamn on V6 the V6s with the pipes on. I hate them. And I'm still got them on there. Woo! I tell you. Let me hit a little gas for y'all, man. Hit a little gas for y'all. Y'all can hear how terrible this sound. I ain't got nobody to hold the camera while, give y'all a couple revs. It ain't gonna rev, it's gonna stay out up on the rev though. So y'all heard it. Hold on, y'all heard it from the front though? Listen to it. You heard that suck. That mug got that, it got that cause it got a cold air intake on there. You heard that. Hold on. Clean that throttle body flaps off. Since the cold air intake, it be like that. It won't drop that down real quick. But yeah. DIY in the game, in the building, y'all. Stay tuned for the next. Oh man, I didn't even wear the watch out here. I said I was gonna put the watch on the next one, man. I ain't even got it on, bro. It's gonna have to be in the other one. Let me match the phone though. Don't judge my phone though. Black and the gold. Had to get all new devices beside the tablet, so record more videos at different times. But so yeah, we doing that. We through on DIY, so stay tuned for tomorrow's video. 95 problems, and I'm about to hit y'all with that. And that's 2 things I've done to that. So stay tuned till tomorrow. You'll get the next video. Peace. Zay Gang, we out. You dig? Peace.